Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, look at me, I'm glowing like what? And guess why I'm glowing? Because I have this beautiful package from Love Me Hair. Oh my god, I love this box that this hair came in. It's so beautiful, it's radiating. The shining is shining on my face, guys. And yeah, in the bag it came with a brush, and yeah, lots of goodies in this bag, guys. I am going to show you every one of them. This is one of these. I love these beauty blenders. God, it's so soft. I was shocked, like, look at that. It's so soft and very nice, guys. I really appreciate. So yeah, I also got some hair rollers that came like that. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with this anyway, but yeah, we move. All right, so the next thing is the hair. Look at how the hair came. It's just in this nice box like that, and then there's a hair net. I wrapped everything around. Also more stuff in the bag, some leaflets, some 2-week caps inside, lovely. And also I have this edge lace scarf that you can use to lay your edges. Also that leaflet, and of course your wig bag where you can store your bag. This is what it looks like, empty. All right, so let's go back to the wig. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. This hair already came bleached, it came prepared. Like, look at the elastic band. You can adjust it to fit your own head and the shape of your head and everything. And guys, it has some other elastic band that you can use to clip as well. Also they have combs on the side and the back and in the middle there. As you can see how beautiful this is. And of course the lace is already, they've already cut the lace before they brought it, so it is ready to wear. And this is gonna be a glueless install. So let's put this hair on and see what it looks like on me.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain.
Oh my god, guys, this wig is giving everything it's supposed to give. Just look at that. I'm just putting this hair on, nothing at all is done, and it looks perfectly fine. So you can leave your hair like this and just go out, like, guys, but I just want to be extra, so I'm going to just go ahead and use my hot comb and just try to know, because this wig has been in the package, I just want to bring it back to life. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go ahead and just, you know, gently and gradually just make the parts, you know, very defined. And then I'm going to use my hot comb, you know, to bump the ends. You can bump it like the way you want to give it like the bob look you want, or you can just make it straight. Oh my god, this hair is good. The quality on this hair is amazing, honestly. And the color, I love this color. So this wig, let me just give you the right, you know, dimension of this wig. This wig is 10 inches, limited design, toffee brown, mixed blonde and natural black. All right, so you have about 4 colors there. And then it's layered cut glueless 5x5 lace, and it's a closure lace bob wig. I'm going to put every information that you need to know about this wig down in the description box, so don't worry. When you check under this video, you're going to find a link that will take you directly to how you can buy and order this wig. So what I'm doing here, guys, is just for me to just use my powder or foundation, whatever thing works for you. Just use it to cancel the end of the lace so they can match perfectly well with your hair color. So you can be extra like me and do some edges if you want. You don't have to do this, guys, you can skip this part, but I just wanted to be a little bit extra, and I'm going to just go ahead and do a swoop like that on this side, on the shorter side of the pattern. And because this pattern is a deep part and it's a side part, so I just wanted to just do that. You see what I mean? It looks really beautiful. So guys, just look at that. So what do you think? Just let me know in the comment section what you think about this wig, and if you order this wig, let me know also how you feel about it. For me, I recommend this wig. Is actually affordable and it's very, very beautiful. I don't know if I'm going to have a coupon code to put under this video yet, but if there's any, I'll be definitely be happy to put it under the description box, so do check it to see. So just because this wig is bleached to match everyone, I'm just going to use my own foundation to match my own color. So you don't have to do this. If this matches your skin tone, go ahead. And so guys, look at me, just look at me, look how beautiful. I am so happy. This hair is gorgeous. Honestly, I love it. So yeah, that's it for this video. To be honest, I don't really have anything to say other than just check the description box for the link to this video. And like I said before, this is a glueless install. So if I leave this hair up now, there's no glue holding it to my hair. It's just me putting this wig on and I'm ready to go. Yeah, so this is what I'll have to say. Thanks so much guys for watching. And yeah, we move, we rock. This is what I like. Look at the back, this is what it looks like. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.